Waiting for the cars.
Straight up.
Straight up. Oh. I gotta hold the camera up here because you're so tall. What's up?
What's up? How
I'm
are
all
you, dude?
stinky because we haven't showered.
Oh, it's all good. Me too.
Oh my god.
Love you, buddy. Hey, man. So I need help getting this thing off.
And there's the other cars.
Okay. There's a man who might know how to do it.
There's all the other cars. I didn't show you guys anything, but I'm gonna be driving Zabronski's old car, Joey, the white one in the back. It's basically my car, Patty, Chris's. Super sick rig. Yeah. Everyone else is here. Evan, we're gonna go to the house soon, but we had to unload. There's fucking Davin. Ricer Mustang, dude. Alright, just gonna show off the cars. This is Nate's car. This is IC 370. 326 lugs, dual calipers. I think these wheels are like 15 wide. They're crazy. The color looks so good. Get out of the way, Jake.
I'm sorry.
And then this, I don't even know it. This is a Chevy. Wait, what car is this?
What? Chevy Cruze.
Chevy Cruze, yeah. Stanced out, static as fuck. It's pretty dope. Just like this 370, this is insane, dude. This wheel setup, like, those are like 9-inch barrels, I think. It looks amazing. The brakes, and even this rig too. This trailer is nuts. Both the rigs are just absolutely crazy. We got 386s on the other rig. The one I'm driving, the white one, which is Joey's old car, but now FRSPatty owns it. That's Patty right there. We were trailing Jake's car, the FRS over there, and this. What?
FRS who?
Patty. FRS Mercy. It's me. Because I have an FRS, not an 86. Joey actually has an 86, and now I'll be driving an actual 86. Those wheels. I want Joey's wheels. Well, Patty's wheels, I guess.
I guess Patty's. Which one?
Either. I love the Koenigs though. But the SRs are, they're pretty cool. You know, the gold-plated wheels. They're all right.
All right. Like $10,000.
I mean, you know, more wheels.
Wider.
Oh wait, wider wheels, more wheels. There we go. I'm gonna start playing Mask Off now.
Oh really?
So cringy. Off.
Yeah. Nothing broke.
Oh, you're good. Woo! She's a flapper. Jeez. Literally exactly my car. I have the same wheel specs as him and everything too. I literally got his wheel specs, so that's what I'm running. It's gonna be a super similar car.
Now get the other car. All right.
Now the other car, and then the other car,
Get the other car.
and then the other car is over there.
I gotta take off the bumper on this one.
Yeah.
I gotta take off the bumper. Hey. Oh, you're off the wood.
He's good. Oh yeah. Now we're chilling. Hell yeah. Look at that man. So sexy.
Turn that wheel so quick.
I know. Those are the easy cars. Now I gotta get Mr. Static over there off here. Now we have no bumpers on any of the cars. One. Not Patty's car. Not Joey's car. Well, my car. Whatever. None of them. Kind of hard though. Static one came off pretty easy.
Looks like a mad fucking overbite.
Yeah, it does. Especially with that, with that bottom piece. Looks funny.
Oh, my back's hurt.
Dude, yeah, my back hurt from like the airplane.
Dude, the way you were sleeping, you were like this.
Oh yeah, there's
And I
no
was like,
comfortable
that
way to
kinda hurt.
sleep, dude. It hurts. I mean, I only slept for like an hour, but because I slept for 3 hours at Patty's, so I got no sleep. Yeah, because I'm allergic to his dogs, so I was like, yeah. Another stock FRS. Ugh.
Literally nothing in the end of it.
I mean, mine has nothing. I got state rep. Sheesh. Look at that steering wheel, limited edition, number 7. The two, we have the Z and the Cruze over there, and then we're good. Then we're going to the house. Woo. Gonna go check out this thing a little more. It's not an SR, it's a KAT, which is still so sick. Looks amazing. The interior is like mint, uncracked dash. It's honestly probably one of like the cleanest 240s you'll see. Sorry, Fredo. This thing's so nice. It's And you got the seats just for the show?
It's an SR20.
Yeah. It's a CA18.
Right?
Yeah.
That's a 1J3.
So nice. Little turbo down there. Well, you guys can't see it, but there's a turbo down there. It'd probably gap you.
It makes fun with it. Hopefully not.
Yeah. Oh, you're blowing some smoke. Your car's vaping, dude.
Yeah, the turbo seals need to be lubricated. It's been sitting for a while.
Oh, yeah. Good chilling though for gas. Damn, he thick.
Where are we going to dinner?
I don't know. I'm fucking hungry.
So am I.
Hopefully they can get Nate's car off the trailer and then we can go.
Yeah, I highly
Oh my god, I'm so hungry. So you guys can see it. There you go. Look. That's cool. I got a couple of stickers I'm going to be giving out here. Give one. Patty got his. Got some other to give to some friends. Maybe if I run into any of you guys too, get some out. Just Subi. Alright, we're sitting in Joey's car. It's basically the same car as mine, but it's going to be a little bit different. Got to be really careful. Turning radius is a little bit worse, so got to be really careful with turning, but I think it should be pretty easy. Roads here are definitely a lot flatter than California, so I'm looking forward to that. That's super nice. And then I'm going to figure out how to get my phone working. Right now it's not working. I think it's just not plugged in right. But yeah, we're going back to the house, so I'm going to show you guys what the house looks like and everything. Hopefully soon. I probably won't record me driving just since this isn't my car, so I'll see you guys at the house. Alright, so we're at the house. This is crazy. Just first of all, look at this view. And this is the house. All the cars. We got Jake's car, other cars, Joey, my car, Mustang, the two other 86s. It's crazy. The view of the house. We'll give you guys a tour probably later. Just gonna walk around the cars now that the cars are off the trailer. But yeah, the cars look good. I just drove Joey's car out here, or well, Patty's car now. I keep saying Joey's car. It's not Joey's car anymore, but basically my car. I scraped a little bit. It's really hard, especially with that lip that hangs super low. It's already kit low. What?
You scraped?
Patty told me I scraped 3 times. I only heard like 1. I mean the underglow. I didn't scrape the underglow off.
Once coming in here and it was the side of my fucking car.
Bringing the trailer up here was fucking.
It's pretty bad. Yeah, dude. I can't imagine you getting that trailer up here. That's impressive.
Yeah, there's so many Mack truck 16 wheelers coming down the hill.
Yeah. Oh shit. How many people does it take to unhitch a trailer? How many stance kids does it take to unhitch a trailer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wow, they're so tough.
Dude, look at them go.
This house is beautiful.
Men hard at work. Dude, I know. Look at this view on the camera. Michael. Oh my god. This is my first time meeting Michael. It was also my first time meeting Sam. Oh my god. Yeah. No fucking way. Woo. That driveway's gnarly though, pulling in. Oh my god. No way. This is so sick.
You on TikTok?
Dude, that's the one guy with the hood exit from TikTok. I've seen this guy everywhere. He was on Fitment Industries. Oh, that's so sick. Almost everyone's here. How many more people are coming? Like 3?
You can park next to Patty. Yeah, you can fit next to me.
Yeah, you'll fit.
You can fit? Park next to me, bud.
Alright, so we're gonna go on the tour now. This is the fire pit, koi pond, pool, indoor pool. Ooh! What? Yeah, where are the putters? How are we gonna go golfing? God damn, that's insane. This is crazy. This is definitely gonna be. This has got to be the best house I get. There's no question. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm vlogging. God. Patty gets to sit at the end. This is insane.
Does this go down to the pool in the garage?
Yeah, that's so. What? The bedrooms.
There's like a Chick-fil-A. There's a Chick-fil-A ice maker. Look at that.
There's a Chick-fil-A ice maker?
Dude, what?
Yeah,
That's so crazy.
That, like, has like shaved ice. It's not quite Chick-fil-A.
What's in here? Movie theater?
Yo.
Yo!
No way.
Yo, let's play some Minecraft!
Yeah. Did anyone bring an Xbox?
We
Or
have like
PS4?
We have like 20 switches.
That's sick.
The saw blade on the wall.
That's cool. Okay.
We ballin', baby. We
Oh
ballin'.
my god.
Yo, that room's so lit.
What? This is so cool. Oh my god, a little like Hobbit.
Bro.
Cool too.
I'm sleeping in one room.
Yeah, dude, this is kind of sick.
I'll
I'll sleep next to you. That's so cute. That's cool.
Oh, that's so
So
sick.
sick.
You can get in the room.
Alright, who's jumping off the roof?
We're gonna get in trouble.
No way. Oh yeah, we're getting in trouble.
Security deposit back.
You gotta sleep side.
Holy fucking shit.
These looked a lot bigger in the picture.
Dude, that was like a whole...
Oh my god. Yeah, if you're sleeping at the top, you have good luck.
This would be a blast.
That's me and Michael's because we're the shortest.
How the fuck are you supposed to sleep in that? Hold on.
So say my tall ass. You put your feet right there, bro. Put your
Yeah.
feet up. You gotta put your feet
This house is too cool. We're definitely not getting the security deposit back.
Oh my god. It's crazy, the TV right there. No, we get the beds up there that they like cram the fucking roof over. They like cram the roof over those.
There's two tubs. Look, there's two tubs in that room.
What?
This one.
Who wants to water bodies with me? Patty.
Here.
Patty.
What?
What? And then there's
Why is there two bathtubs in this?
Right here. I want this when I'm sleeping in the tub.
This is a little cold set.
Yeah, there's two bathtubs. There's like a big ass bathtub and then there's the fucking smaller.
Another room.
Yeah, and then there's another room right here. It's so dark.
Why is it so dark?
Yeah, I know.
This one's got a microwave.
Jeez. Dude, these are literally like hotel rooms.
I
That's
think it'd be more fun to like be with the homies in that fucking bunker.
How many people
I'm trying to be a
jump?
fucking idiot, bro.
Alright, so it's the next day. I forgot to record that outro, but fell asleep. These are the sleeping quarters. This is where I'm sleeping. Patty, Damon, and Sam. But yeah, that was the first video. I just did a walk around and then everyone getting here. So we have still a So in the next video, everyone will be here. Alex is about to get here, and same with Jordan at 3 Cities. So leave a like if you enjoyed, dislike if you didn't, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next video.